The caramel pecan bun is really good. There you go, guys. So I'll just do my taste test here because there's a space for this one. So now, one moment. Okay, I ordered 3 items at Cinnabon today, and let me show you. The first one is the drink. I don't know why it looks like this, but in the picture it has the frap, something like that. But the one that they gave me looks like this. I don't know why, but this one is mango flavor. Okay, so next one, so done. Nice. This one is the caramel pecan bun. It's big, huh? The size is big. Yeah. And then the next one is, this one is on the cup. I don't know what do you call this one, but it looks like this. It's with a cup and it's with cookies, something like that. See? Okay, so now I'm excited about this one, so I'll do the taste test now, and then I'll tell you something about this. Wow, it's so soft. The bread is so soft. Wow. Cheers. It's good. I like the bread because I like the texture of the bread because it's so soft. It's really good. Okay, let me tell you something. Why I don't know if I have, why I'm so excited and I'm so happy about Cinnabon, because I haven't tried any Cinnabon yet. This is my first time to try Cinnabon. Even in the Philippines, I haven't tried the Cinnabon there. So this is my very first Cinnabon. That's why I'm so happy. Second one is that I really push to do and buy Cinnabon today because this is the first day of the opening of the store. So I'm so lucky. I want to document this. I want to record this moment because it's like memories to me, because the first Cinnabon that I ever tried is in Israel. That's why I am so happy. And also another one is that so that I can compare. If I'll go back to the Philippines, I will try Cinnabon there also, so I can compare. Hopefully I can still remember the taste, the difference, so I can compare the two branches of Cinnabon. So that's why. So this one, I don't know what's the name, but this is the what it looks like here. Cheers again. Chocolatey. It's so sweet. My saliva. It's so sweet, but I think this one is so sweet. But if I'm gonna choose between the two, I like this one, the caramel pecan bun. It's way better. It's good. It's this one what I want. Ano daw? The time to try the drinks. The flavor of the mango is just very light. It's not so fabulous. How much is this? I think this one is 28 shekels. It's just very normal. If I will buy this one for 28 shekels, I rather choose, you know, the tea. I mean the bubble tea, the milk tea, like that. It's just almost the same. It's not so fabulous for me. But it's okay. for the experience. Yeah, I think this one, it's really good, really good when it is paired with coffee. Yeah, you know, the dark coffee, like that. The caramel pecan one is really good. That's all, guys, for today about Cinnabon. I will not finish it because it's too big. I will eat it later after later. Yeah, I will just eat it later. Okay, that's all, guys. Bye bye. Outfit check. Let me do outfit check. Bye, guys.